For years, many people believed that graduating from an accredited four-year college or university was the only path to a successful career, with the perception that a higher degree equaled a higher salary. Now, with the ever-increasing cost of a four-year college degree, many graduates are facing record levels of student debt. In fact, student loan debt numbers are soaring. As of 2022, a total of 44.7 million borrowers owe over $1.75 trillion in student debt. You may ask, well, what about the student loan forgiveness program that was passed? Well, it's currently on hold and being challenged in the courts. So right now, the average student debt for a bachelor's degree is nearly $30,000, making student loan debt the biggest source of debt over vehicle and even credit card debt. Plus, tuition rates have been outpacing our nation's inflation rates. Right now, the current average tuition for a public four-year university is close to $10,000 per year, with private schools costing just under $40,000 per year. Add that to the pressures of attending a traditional four-year university, and 40% of students drop out before completion. Due to lack of adequate preparation, occupational focus, and/or not being emotionally equipped to succeed in this type of learning environment, it's evident that having a four-year degree doesn't ensure prosperity. Students are now realizing that there are other options. Trained workers with technical skills have a whole new place in our tech-driven and skill-driven job market. The number of jobs that do not require a four-year degree are expected to rise to 7.6 million by 2025. In fact, after losing so many positions during the pandemic, many industries are struggling to hire back entry-level and skilled workers, with the most impacted industries being transportation, healthcare, and the food sector. It's because of these major factors that Career and Technical Education, or CTE, is now in the national spotlight. With CTE, prospective students are able to become certified and trained professionals, ready to fulfill essential job roles for the services we all rely on. Atlantic Technical College, McFadder Technical College, and Sheridan Technical College make up the Broward Technical Colleges and are part of the Broward County Public Schools, providing quality CTE at an affordable price for over 50 years. At each campus, they train students to get their credentials to join the workforce quickly, to help fill one of the millions of available jobs. Broward Technical Colleges are fully accredited with state-licensed and certified instructors, industry professionals, and state-of-the-art classrooms. Students get real hands-on training and experience for a rewarding career doing something they love. Broward Technical Colleges are supported by tax dollars, which means that tuition is just a small fraction of the cost of a 2- or 4-year public or private college, so students graduate with little or no student loans, giving them a better start for their futures. Training is available at 5 locations around Broward County: Atlantic Technical College in Coconut Creek and Fort Lauderdale, McFadder Technical College in Davie, and Sheridan Technical College in Hollywood and Pembroke Pines. Students can choose from a range of career options through 70 programs, most of which can be completed within a 12-month period, so graduates are able to have a career in a year. Get started right away with a career in fields that include construction, transportation in fields such as automotive, marine and aviation, healthcare, IT, business, communication arts, and hospitality. Getting the education is only half the job, though. Broward Technical College's graduates benefit from a full-time staff to help transition from training to career. With millions of jobs needing to be filled, Broward Technical Colleges provides a career-focused education by training today's students for a successful tomorrow. Training for your future career starts now at Atlantic, McFadder, and Sheridan Technical Colleges.